All right, everybody, just a quick update on the AI sector. So yesterday, Oracle, a cloud computing and database technology company, had reported its quarter 3 earnings. The stock had dropped 13% after hours, and that's after already dropping 30% from its most recent high. And there's two main reasons for this. The first one is their forecast over the next 6 to 12 months was weaker than analysts had expected. Their revenue is going to be less than expected. The second reason for this is how quickly they believe they're going to turn a profit after all of the money that they have invested in their company building out their AI infrastructure is actually going to be longer, which means the time it takes to get an ROI from that investment is going to be longer than they previously stated. Now, this is something that I do believe other companies are going to experience as well. A lot of these big tech companies are dumping a ton of capital and crazy amount of investments into this, and they're not going to see an ROI as quick as I believe they anticipate. Right now, we're still in a bit of a euphoric stage, so therefore it's a mad dash because you do not want to be the last one, okay? That does not mean that the AI sector is in a bubble. Throughout the next few years, which I believe is going to be the biggest technology investment that we see in our lifetime, there are going to be companies that start up and fail. There are going to be other companies that go out of business. There are going to be other companies that file bankruptcy. There's probably going to be a company or two that even commits fraud. That doesn't mean that the sector as a whole is in a bubble or the sector as a whole is going to fail. The government is going to back us up and make sure that the United States does lead this race. So just be careful what companies you're investing into and who you're also listening to, because let me tell you, just because there are a couple outliers does not mean that the entire sector is going to follow suit.